Welcome to the Doing Shit with Daryl YouTube channel. I haven't posted a video in a while because I've been doing shit with the laser and you can't really record it. But this is a kind of a laser project. It's a birdhouse and I use the laser to cut the birdhouse out. I'm gonna hand paint it. This video is partially live footage with some cuts and some time lapses. Subscribe and leave a comment and like. Enjoy. The wood I use here is from the Dollar Tree. It's like a 12 by 12 frame, I guess, and it has two holes in it with a string to hang it, but it's cheap and I use it on laser projects. The paint is tempera paint from Walmart. The yellow paint was apple, whatever paint they come about that you can get them from Walmart or Dollar Tree. The other colors were little acrylic paints. The yellow was acrylic too. They were little tubes of acrylic paint from Family Dollar. The Family Dollar near my house went out of business and that was the last one. It was like $1.50 for like 10 different colors, and they was in little tubes, probably like an ounce or so of each color. So I bought those. And the glue I used, well, I didn't show the assembly because it didn't assemble right, so I kind of had to file the openings down to get the slots to go together. So I was gonna film it, but I didn't. So I decided at the last moment I didn't want to color in the butterflies. I wanted to just cut butterflies out and glue them on there. So that's what I did. And you're gonna see the other colors that I mentioned earlier. And I glued it on with clear silicone adhesive. I don't remember the brand, but it's name brand. It comes from Family Dollar. Not the same Family Dollar because that one closed. So yeah, and this video, this birdhouse, which is not finished yet, from Saturday, Sunday, and this morning, which is Monday morning, is when I took the clamps off that you'll see in a second. So yeah, it's still an ongoing process. You can go to my Instagram, which is Doing Shit with Daryl, without the IT, all one word, SHH, if you want to see the final result. Brushes right here are Crayola brand brushes that I got from the markdown bin here at my job. I'm at work right now recording this. And the foam brushes are probably from the Dollar Tree or Walmart. got these 2 strings in here. These also come from the dollar store. It's a hanging shelf, and it comes with a ring and a string. So I buy them all the time for the wood. I usually just use them because it's like 4 or 5 millimeter stick, and it's easy to laser through. So I'm gonna just cut these in half and make 4 strings.
Daryl, what you in there doing?